A must-see for couples. Don't kiss these places randomly. Family, when couples fall in love, kissing and hugging are common things. Kissing can indeed enhance feelings and make the relationship between two people closer. However, some parts are really not suitable for kissing with the mouth, and if you are not careful, it will cause harm to the body. Today I will talk about it for everyone. Let's talk about the neck first. The neck looks ordinary, but it actually hides mysteries. There are many blood vessels on the neck, such as many important arteries. There is also a particularly important and fragile place on the neck, called the carotid sinus. How fragile is this carotid sinus? For example, it is like a delicate and fragile small ornament. If you touch it with a little force, it may cause problems. If couples kiss too much and too hard, it is easy to cause congestion in this place. If the situation is more serious, it may even cause the carotid artery to rupture. This is not a joke, it is directly life-threatening. Moreover, kissing the neck hard will leave ugly kiss marks. When you go out the next day, others will know what you went through last night at a glance. How embarrassing it is. If you are seen by colleagues at the company or stared at by passers-by on the street, you will dig your toes into the ground. So, when lovers kiss, you can kiss the neck, but don't be too hard. Let's talk about the Adam's apple. There is a Adam's apple pit in front of the Adam's apple. This place is very sensitive and is surrounded by nerves and blood vessels in the throat. Usually, we may feel a little irritated when we touch the Adam's apple lightly. If lovers kiss the Adam's apple hard when kissing, it will be a pain. The person being kissed will feel very uncomfortable. In serious cases, it may also cause throat injury. Imagine that your partner accidentally kissed your Adam's apple hard and you coughed nonstop. In an instant, your throat was sore and itchy and you couldn't speak for several days. The sweet atmosphere of love was gone in an instant, and it also affected your normal life. How uneconomical. There are also ears. Ears are very sensitive parts. Some people feel their whole body soften when their ears are kissed. Because of this wonderful feeling, many couples like to kiss their ears. However, although the ears are sensitive and charming, they are also very fragile. If you use too much force when kissing, it will cause damage to the ears. I have a friend who was too selfless when kissing his partner and kissed his ears hard. As a result, his partner screamed in pain at the time. He still felt a buzzing in his ears. He went to the hospital for a checkup and was told that the inside of the ear was damaged. Fortunately, it was not serious, but it also scared them. In more serious cases, it may even cause temporary deafness, so couples must be careful when kissing their ears. Eyes are also a minefield. Eyes are fragile and easily infected by external bacteria. Many couples think that a gentle kiss on the eyelids or corners of their lovers' eyes is particularly romantic and can express their deep love. But do you know? This is actually quite dangerous. There are all kinds of viruses and bacteria hidden in our mouths. Through kissing, these viruses and bacteria may run into the eyes of our lovers. Once the eyes are infected, they are prone to conjunctivitis, which is what we often call pink eye. If you really get pink eye, your eyes will be red, swollen, and itchy. Not only will you suffer, but you may also infect others. Then both of you will not be able to enjoy your love time. You can't kiss your belly button casually. Our belly buttons have a special structure and are easy to hide dirt, especially the deep concave belly buttons, which are particularly inconvenient to clean. The belly button is damp and dark, which is simply a paradise for bacteria where bacteria reproduce and grow happily. If lovers kiss their belly buttons, they may eat these bacteria into their mouths and enter their bodies, thus threatening their health. Especially those with poor immunity are more likely to be infected. Moreover, even if there is only a tiny wound on the belly button, the risk of bacterial infection will greatly increase. Therefore, for the health of yourself and your lover, don't kiss your belly, but uneasily. There are also feet. Some lovers are particularly fascinated by their lover's feet and like to express their love through kissing. But think about it. Our feet are stuffy in shoes every day and we have to walk and sweat, so how many fungi and bacteria will breed? After kissing the feet, these bacteria and fungi may enter the mouth and cause oral infection. Once the mouth is infected, problems such as oral ulcers and bad breath will come. When you open your mouth to speak, you will be embarrassed, let alone interact intimately with your partner. The same is true for the armpits. The armpits are covered by clothes for a long time and the glands secrete very vigorously, which is particularly easy to accumulate a large number of bacteria and viruses. If lovers kiss their armpits, bacteria will enter the body through the mouth and cause various diseases. For example, respiratory tract infections, skin inflammation, etc. Once you get sick, not only will you feel uncomfortable, but it will also affect the relationship between the two. There are many ways for lovers to express love. Although kissing is sweet, you must be careful to avoid these dangerous parts. For the health of yourself and your lover, you can ignore it because of a momentary impulse in love. I hope that what I said today can make lovers pay more attention when interacting intimately and enjoy their love time peacefully. And if you know any other parts that are not suitable for kissing, please leave a message in the comment area to share. Let's learn together to make love healthier and better.